Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? I'm RealGee. A lot of shit still happening. Yo, I'm still talking about, you know, I'm still talking about Lil Pump. Man, the shit is getting annoying. You know, the shit is getting off hands. Let's get to this video right now. Man, what the fuck? Lil Pump annoying people on the airplane? What the fuck? Lil Pump annoying people on an airplane, not letting them sleep, yelling. Whoa. I can't understand it. Yelling what? Esketit what? This is crazy, man. You know, when somebody's you know, too much dope, the dope is too much. When it's too much, that's fuck. It's hell as fuck, man. That's annoying. Let's get to the video. Check this out. Man, that's embarrassing.
Bruh, look at this dude. Look at his hair.
First class.
Oh my God!
Nowhere, bro. This is out of hand, you know. This is not normal.
Bitch, I'm first class. Esketit!
What the fuck? There's a lot of people in there. There's a lot of passengers there. Why are you yelling? Why is he yelling? I can't understand. Why yelling? Really? Are you kidding me?
Bitch, I'm taking over this plane.
Look at this
Canada,
dude.
you lit as fuck, bitch.
Wait till you see the.
Don't
No.
I'm taking shit on the plane. Ooh, I'm taking shit on the plane. Ooh. It's not
Oh my goodness.
People are fucking sleeping, bro. This is bullshit. This is fucking bullshit. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Why is he doing this? Why? Man, he's out of his mind.
Esketit!
Can you hear that? While people are sleeping. Nobody wakes up and whoop his ass. Nobody did that. Nobody. No. If I was there, man, I'm gonna whoop his ass. Period. No excuses. Fuck that shit, bro. Check this
Hey,
out.
man, after party on the Lil Pump airplane. Esketit!
Yo, is this normal? Hell no. I don't think this is not normal. He's insane. He's crazy. Fucking crazy. He's been smoking. No. He's been smoking too much shit. What the fuck, bro?
Uh-huh. You lost an extra round. Jordan's finna sit next to a fat bitch. Hey, first class, baby. Esketit. Yeah. Yeah, everything Gucci.
What the fuck? What the fuck, Gucci? Gucci what? Fuck Gucci. Hey, is this guy have a contract with Gucci? Oh, he's crazy about Gucci. Fuck Gucci. What the hell? You can't let people sleep?
First class, baby. 100
No,
on
this
Rick.
is,
80 on Rick.
This is not normal. It's not normal.
Huh.
Fuck.
Come on, baby. First class, bitch. Esketit. Esketit.
No, no, no. Yo. This is not real. It's not normal. He can't just do that. He can't just do that. He can't just do that. If I was there, man, I could have whooped his ass. Fuck his ass. I could have whooped his ass. Bro. No, no. This is not real. Bro, this is not real. Are you serious? No way, bro. He just saying it the
He
whole
ugly as
night.
hell. Fuck that nigga, man. He ugly as fuck.
Real
Fuck that
fun.
nigga.
Oh, that's not fun, bro. That's no fucking fun. That's bullshit. Man. That's ugly as fuck, bro.
Fuck that nigga, man. Hey,
Fuck that nigga. Fuck
on
you,
my way
bro.
to Toronto,
Fuck
bitch.
you.
Turn up.
Got it.
I'm out this shit.
This is just fake, bro.
Walk out with us.
Yeah, and then hug all of us and then walk by your boyfriend's at your
I mean, like, sorry, now I'm horny.
Hey, I'm on live, bitch. Hey, I scat. Hey, look. I just found my new girlfriend.
That's your boyfriend? Listen.
Andrea Quintero's for y'all.
Hey, I just found a new girlfriend on the plane.
Walk by your boyfriend. I'm gonna grab your hand.
We first class teed up, bitch. The whole plane on that Esketit mode right now.
I think you're
I know everybody on the Esketit mode right now. Hey, you turn your flash on?
And what about you?
Everybody on the
What?
Esketit mode, man.
Esketit what?
Ooh, the ice man, baby. Come on, look at that. Oh, hold on. Ooh.
This guy's getting out of
Come on, man. Look at that ice. Look at that ice. Nigga, what?
It's not normal. I don't
Baby
think
girl like a
this-
doctor with all
I've never
this ice
seen,
on my wrist.
you know,
Mm.
I've never seen something like this before in my life. I've never seen something like this before. What the hell? Wow. Wow. This is fucking annoying. It's fucking annoying. Like how?
Great what? Great what? Do what the fuck we wanna do, man. Sky! You got shit in your belt, nigga. Sky!
I can't believe this shit, bro. This shit ain't real. This shit ain't real, bro. Really? Is that real? No, it's, you know, it's hard to believe, but it's real. What the fuck? Man, that's nightmare. Holy fuck. That's crazy, bro. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you to the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumb up. The most important thing in life. Peace. Peace. No matter what, there's a lot of bitches around. Annoying. There's a lot of people, you know, annoying people. They're not normal. This is not normal. Can you see that? It's just not normal. This is insane. It's fucking insane. It's not normal. Come on, bro. Peace to y'all.